This is the new Kiam Vanquish 76 twin motor wet vacuum cleaner. The big benefit of this unit is that it's got a submersible pump inside. What that means is that you can continue to vacuum up as you evacuate the water long distances away from the cleaning area. So ideal uses for this machine is when you've had flood damage or you're doing clean-up restoration after a flood. You can use it for picking up water, off the floors. You can even use it for cleaning your pond or for cleaning your pool as well. The Vanquish 76 comes with a range of accessories and tools. It comes with a 38mm suction hose, which is 2.5 meters long, a stainless steel wand, a 14-inch suction head, a crevice tool and a round brush as well.